Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Online Hustle Gang. Hope you're safe and home and feeding your mind with only positive thoughts. Today I'm gonna show you how to make websites for small local businesses and charge them between 5 and 1500. I want to note that this is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to dedicate a few weeks in case to master the skills. I'm not gonna go deep into the details of most backend stuff, but if you want me to, please mention it in the comments. What a website needs is a domain, hosting, and a platform. We will use the platform WordPress with a theme called Divi. Divi has a visual builder and makes website creation a child's play. Of course, if you want to make top-level websites, you have to dig deeper and learn some CSS and probably JavaScript and jQuery. The domain is around $10 a year, the hosting is around $10 a month, and Divi is $89 a year. Right now they have a discount. Okay, so let me show you what Divi is real quick. So this is their official website. By the way, I have a link in the description. It is an affiliate link and I'll get a little commission if someone buys through it. It will not affect your end price in any way. I had to mention that. Okay, so you can see that Divi is really customizable. Let me show you why I love it. There are a lot of already pre-made layouts that you can use. Let's say you find a local coffee shop which has no website or an old ugly website. We can use this layout and change everything. You can change the background with a photo of the coffee shop, the information and everything. Let me show you how easy it is to change it. So I'm gonna go into this website, which is mine, but I haven't used it because I don't do Instagram marketing anymore. Okay, so right now we are adding a new page and we are gonna use the Divi builder. We want to build from scratch. No, we didn't want to build from scratch, but anyway. Let me show you the power. Okay, choose a pre-made layout. We want the coffee shop layout and the home page. Now it's importing the data. Done. Now, what you see is this purple, or in this case blue rectangle, that is the sections area. The green areas are the rows and the gray ones are the actual elements. So you can change everything. You can make this background, oops, it's in the element. See the background? Okay, you can remove it. If you want, you can use some kind of color. You can change this. You can change you can change literally everything, and it is mobile optimized. Just look how good it looks on a mobile device. And it's really easy to tweak things around and make a unique layout. So that's why I love Divi and I recommend using it. okay. Uh, the next thing after you master the DVT is actually finding clients. You want to focus on small local businesses that don't have a website or have one but old, outdated and ugly. Prepare a sample website for the client you find. Use pictures of their business that you need to find from Google or their social media accounts. Personalize the website you're building as much as possible to meet your client's specification. You want to make the website as if they can launch it right now. You can find images from their social media and replace the basic layouts backgrounds as I showed you. After that, you want to find their contact information, a phone number or email from their social media or from their website, and you after that contact them telling them that you made a sample website, and if they want you can continue working on it and making it better. So that's basically the concept I wanted to tell you. Yo guys, while editing this video I decided that I'll finish this series and make a couple of videos on how to make a website from scratch. We will cover buying domain, hosting, connecting them, making the actual website with Divi, and probably how to find local clients. While doing this, I decided also to make a giveaway. One of you can win a free website that I'll be making during those series. To enter, you just need to comment and subscribe to my channel, and that's all you have to do. I'll choose one of you.